boy Manny out here at the house. You know, we about to put this underglow on the big Tara. You know, big Tara about to get some glow underneath. So that's what we about to do, and catch you later in the video. Peace out.
I didn't know you was eating, bro. I would have did it. I'm sorry. Cool, so you good.
You most likely wanted to put some music over this.
Okay.
When you edit this thing.
Oh, that's not the sleepy part.
Was your arm falling asleep?
Move, dude. Hey,
Do it again.
put the thing up here.
Bro, who you talking to?
You, bro, come on. Put the thing up here, bro.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh my god. Now get your hand out the way.
Man. Listen here, bud.
What's up?
Family friendly content.
Sensational. Sensational. No.
Keep it
Too
right there.
close to the exhaust.
It won't get that hot.
That wire. Okay.
I mean, it's mine. You might want to move it down.
That was a stupid job.
Tight.
Horrible sound.
That was a great sound.
Ting, dunk, 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 dunk.
Ding, dunka, dunka. Alright guys, we finally finished the install of Manny's car. As you can see, it's dark out now. We came out here and show you what Underglow looks like on his Challenger. We're gonna go through a couple modes and you know, kind of show y'all how it works. It's basically the same thing as my car, but his car's a little bit bigger, but yeah, show y'all how it works. Alright, so this is one mode. It's a color strobe. It's flashing through all colors. This probably be the fastest way for anybody to get a ticket if you want one, riding around with it on. Solid colors. He slowed it down. Back to strobe. Solid. And for his car to be a little bit bigger than mine, it kind of still fills in the side skirts and everything well. The front. And we didn't really show y'all how we ran it under the car, but we basically followed some hard lines on under this side of the car, and then on the other side just followed the frame and zip tied it and used as less drilling as possible. But this is the finished product. At night they're bright, made of aluminum, so they're durable. Hope this was an informational install on Manny's 2015 Challenger RT Hop 7 Underglow kit.